Hello.
Look at me.
Hi guys. Hey guys, happy holiday. We're about to talk about the Beluga Airbus. I got the plane as a gift on my birthday. Let's scan the plane. Let's scan it. How do we scan it? Click here.
Tell us about your Airbus.
This is called the Beluga because it looks like the real life whale called Beluga. Beluga Airbus is a cargo plane. It carries other airplane parts and delivers it to the airplanes. It delivers airplane parts like the fuselage and the wing. This is how to load things in it. First you have to open this and then it will load a wing. That's how it loads passenger parts.
Where does it take them?
It takes it to the Airbus factory where they assemble the airplanes. These are the parts of the airplane. This is the automatic thing that lets the passenger parts go in. This is the fuselage.
Where?
Here.
Okay.
And these are the wings.
Mm-hmm.
These are the stabilizers.
Okay.
And these are flaps. That helps the plane go up and down. And this is the cockpit. And these are jet engines. There's landing gears.
Okay.
Let's put it here. Let's scan this.
Slowly. Plane.
This is the Antonov cargo plane. This is the biggest cargo plane in the world. It has 6 engines. It also has these things to not ruin the stabilizers for it to make the airplane go up and down. It has the flaps. It has flaps like the Airbus Beluga. Every airplane has flaps, so they can turn where they are going.
Okay.
It has many landing gears so it can land safely. Pilots need to fly this airplane in order for it to fly. It can carry cargoes like tanks and other big equipment. Unfortunately, the last Antonov was destroyed by the Russians. It has 6 engines so it can carry many big cargo. I love the Antonov because it's the biggest airplane in the world.
Whoa.
Compared to the real one. I'm not talking about the toy Antonov.
Yeah.
I'm talking about the real Antonov that got destroyed by Russians. Now this is the Cebu Pacific. It's made from the Philippines. It's made from the same country. This is the Cebu Pacific plane. It's an airline in the Philippines. That's exactly where we live. I wrote Cebu Pacific several times. Yeah, that's right.
Whoa.
Several times.
You went to where? You rode the Cebu Pacific to go to where?
Iloilo and Singapore and Manila.
Oh. What do you like about this plane?
And it has 2 engines. It has its own airline name on it. The pilot wants to make people know it's a Cebu Pacific.
Oh. What kind of airplane is it?
It's It's an A330 Neo.
Who was with you when you ride the Cebu Pacific plane?
Of course, my family. So I don't get lost alone.
Okay.
That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.